Hello everyone and welcome. It's Nala. You might know me as Seguras Craft and I am part of the creative crew for Kat Scrappiness. Today we're having a YouTube hop in which you have a chance to win a $15 gift card to the Kat Scrappiness store. If you click the description box below, you'll find all of the information in detail about how to enter to win and what you need to do to have your name entered for the drawing. Today hop is the popcorn release hop. Let's dive in and see how amazing these little popcorn pieces look. First, I cut out all the dies so you can see each piece individually. For my popcorn box, I went with a classic red and white. It's so iconic, don't you think? For the label, I couldn't decide between red, white, or black, so I just cut out a variety. Choices, I tell ya. I separated the popcorn because I used 3 different colors, adding a hint of butter with some yellow ink. And I repeated that with all 3 colors to find my perfect match for my vision. I just wanted to make it look very buttery and almost like what it looks like on TV that makes you purchase the popcorn. So I added an extra piece to create a shadow effect, making the yellow butter really pop. Piecing it together was super easy. I made sure everything looks just right, like popcorn. I am absolutely in love with the new popcorn die from Kat Scrappiness. It's been such a joy to put the popcorns together, coloring them, and experimenting with different styles to create a variety of popcorn types for my crafting project. You know, like making it maybe caramel or white cheddar, things like that. The creative possibilities are endless, and I love how I can change the type of popcorn in my cup to match any theme or mood. The recent release have been incredibly exciting, and I've been having so much fun diving into all the new projects. My team has truly outdone themselves with their innovative and inspiring creation. I can't wait to share what I've been working on with this release. Hey, really quick. If you enjoy my content and appreciate the work of my fellow Kat Scrappiness crew members, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channels. We would be delighted to have you join our growing community. We hope you find this video both enjoyable and informative. Please share your feedback in the comments section below and let us know how we can continue to improve. Thank you for watching. For the label, I went with the black background and a smaller white oval to place my popcorn word on. I also used the film strip die from a previous release, and I cut it out of black cardstock. To add some magic, I stenciled the falling star stencil on the blue cardstock background with some white and gold pigment ink. My words are gone today, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's try that again. I stenciled the falling star stencil on the black cardstock background with white and gold pigment ink. The film strip is slanted on the background, really brought everything together. And because I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, I added the sorting hat and Harry's famous scar in the film strip boxes. A perfect nod to what I'm watching while crafting. For the final touch, I turned this into a shaker card. I placed my card inside some packaging and added the movie night sprinkle mix and a few single popcorn pieces. It's such a fun embellishment. I wish I had real popcorn now because these look so buttery and delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter to stay updated with all of our latest news and events. Additionally, don't forget to fill out our Raftercopter form for a chance to win exciting prizes. You'll find the links to the Rafflecopter form in the description below on all stops in this hop. Don't forget to check out the new popcorn die from Kat Scrappiness. It's a must-have for your crafting stash. See you next time, and happy crafting!